Hello po Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 11th to July the 13th reading. So Aquarius, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel sa YouTube, that's Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano? So, nagla-live din po tayo doon kung gusto nating sumali. You're very much welcome. Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, magsimula na tayo. Aquarius, ang nakikita ko dito, bakit parang medyo malungkot tayo, no? Well, nagkaroon tayo ng, sabihin natin, separation physical, no? Or energetic na din, yeah. May pagka-energetic din dito. Physical separation, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Energetic separation, medyo nababawasan yung yung pag-uusap, no? Nababawasan din itong lambing, yung warmth, no? Yung conversation. Pero I feel like sandali lang ito, no? Nababago at mababago ito into a positive light. For those of you who are in separation, I feel like one of the cost here is probably the person needs or kailangan talagang umalis ng lugar, no? Umalis ng bahay, no? Or magkaroon talaga ng separation. For those of you who are in energetic separation, nagkaroon ng pagtatalo. Pero I feel like paayos na ito, parating na. With the between worlds in here, so parang magkakaroon na talaga ulit ng kulay itong mundo mo. For those singles, no, I just need to butt this in. I feel like meron kang napupusuan ngayon and it felt like medyo wala pa namang nangyayari na relationship pero mag-prepare na dahil I believe na medyo poporma na itong person na ito. So, going back to those who are in a connection or relationship, I feel like may regalo itong taong ito. Oh, medyo mabagal lang talaga ang pagkilos. So, either meron ng naiinip, no? So, parang naiinip ako, kailan ba to talaga magme-make ng move? Kasi parang nasasabik tayo, may enticement na nangyayari. Meron kasi ditong energy na papakitaan ka ng ganito, bla bla bla, no? Tapos, sandali lang, hihinto na naman. So, there's also fluctuating energy in here. So, parang iniisip mo, nagpa-playtime ba tong taong to? Nagtitrip lang ba to? No. In fact, there is an emotion. Pero kasi, I feel like the fluctuations of this medyo overthinker, no? Itong taong ito. Sabihin natin na also may takot, no? Takot kasi there's trauma from the past. Siguro naloko din itong taong to, no? Yun kasi ang medyo mahirap when it comes to the trauma. So yung baggage na yun, bit-bit nila hanggang nakarating sila sa inyo, no? So, while you are in a connection, iniisip nila na paano kaya kung mangyari uli yung dati, yung ginawa ng past. Hindi natin sila masisisi kasi that's part of how they are protecting themselves. Kaya lang it's also unfair for the other person na napag-iisipan ako, magkaiba naman kaming tao. Hindi naman ako yung gumawa, no? Diba? I believe na dun tayo nagkakaroon ng disconnection, no? Kaya medyo bumabagal din itong takbo ng relationship. With the King of Coins in here, parang yung isa, I'm ready, no? Ready naman ako. Five of Wands, clarified by the Temperance and the Justice. I think that someone here is kind of like also pushing the person to try mo naman. Try mo kahit panandalian lang to trust the person. No, with the Mirage in here, I feel like there's a lot of good things that's going to happen. There's also a lot of memories um, that you can create, from this person. I also believe that this is a long journey. Um, a long journey because this is a lasting commitment. For a few numbers of you na meron talagang separations na naghiwalay dahil sa away, yung combinations ng physical and energetic. Itong taong to magbibigay ng regalo, medyo china-charge na lang yung kanyang courage, no? In layman's term, no? Yung kumbaga sa kalihang term, medyo pinapakapal ko lang uli yung aking mukha, no? Kasi hindi naman biro din yung iwan ka. So, tao din naman itong taong ito, no? May konsensya din. So, parang tinitignan ko yung I'm testing the waters kung okay ba akong lumapit i-approach, no? With the regeneration in here, pero willing talaga, no? Willing talaga itong taong ito makipag-ayos, makipagbate, no? And in fact, dun niya kasi nalaman na my emotions or my love is still the same, no? Hindi ito nabago kung paano ko siya minahal, I believe mas malalim pa, no? So let's get some more cards. Aquarius, habang nagsishuffle po ako ng cards, meron lang po akong konting ipapakiusap, no? Tulong na rin sa akin at tulong na rin sa mga iba nating sisters and brothers na nanonood. Meron po kasing gumagaya sa aking account. Similar na kasi kinuha yung aking logo, kinuha na rin po ang ibang videos ko. So, kung paano niya in-arrange yung aking mga pinned videos, ganun din. Pero konti lang naman, konti, no, yung nakuha niya. Pero kasi, nagme-message niya na siya, no, sa ibang tao. And I don't want to put this account in jeopardy, especially my name, no. So, pakitulungan na lang po ako. Kasi pag medyo lumala ang sitwasyon, baka itigil ko na po ang pagre-reading. Kasi naman po, no, madungisan ang aking pangalan. So, ayaw naman po natin mangyari yon, no. I'm also taking actions on it, pero kasi kailangan yata ng mass report, no. So, nandun po sa description box yung please report this account, no. Nakikiusap po ako sa inyo, paki-report na lang po na scams kasi medyo nag-aano na po siya, no, taking moves, using my picture pa ha, and also the video na kasama yung mukha ko. So, that's actually also identity theft, no? So, it's prohibited by law. So, I'm also taking actions. I'm just talking to people, no? So, ang transactions ko lang nandito po sa description box. Apart from that, wala na. So, going back to your reading, maraming salamat muna, no? Going back to your reading, I feel like medyo naiinip na nga. Siguro, medyo, sabihin natin, namimiss ko rin, no? Namimiss ko rin yung taong to, inaantay ko rin for a little while. Medyo nagtatanong na rin ako, kailan ba to dadating, no? Actually, nababagalan na yung nag-aantay, no? Eto kasi, dapat, etong Queen of Coins, nandito na siya. Kaso, so ibig sabihin, ready naman na sila. Kaso napunta siya dito sa Knave of Cups. So the Knave of Cups is mabagal. No, nababagalan itong Queen of Coins na willing naman ako magpatawad kasi inaantay din kita. Nababagalan na ako sa'yo. Kaya kung ikaw man yung taong na gustong mag-approach, take an action, don't prolong the agony, no, of waiting. Kasi nakikita ko there's a lot of changes, no, positively. Isa pa ito, no, Aquarius, baka habang nanonood ka dito, either nakahiga ka or nakataas ang paa mo. Um, I'm seeing also that probably your profile picture, no, whether it is to Facebook or Instagram or whatever social media, yung nakatingin sa malayo, hindi ka talaga nakatingin sa camera, no? Anyways, I'm seeing there's a lot of maturity. I'm seeing there is a lot of sabihin natin mga promises, and those promises are gonna be given, no? Um, or executed properly. With the Four of Wands in here, I am seeing that there is also a promise of cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. Cohabitation to living in together or live in, no, na tinatawag natin. Let's just clarify the Two of Coins. The Two of Coins is clarified by the Ace of Wands and the Death card. So kung iniisip ninyo, um, nakikita ko dito dalawang scenario. Kung iniisip ninyo na nagloko ito, yung while you are in separation, gumalaw ng kung sino or nagpagalaw, you know what I mean, sexually. Hindi, no? Kung iniisip nyo rin na babalik pa itong passion, no, sa inyong relationship, I believe masigit pa. Na ngayon, kung nag-aantay naman kayo, pangatlo, nag-aantay kayo na may mangyayari na ba sa amin, no? Yes. At I believe na both of you are going to feel that this is not sex, no? This is actually making love. There is a rhythm, no, of life, and both of you are going to dance on it. I also want to clarify the Six of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and the Two of Swords. Ayan. Kasi nakapagbitaw naman itong isa na huwag ka nang bumalik, ayaw na kita, no? That is because of galit. These words came out into someone else's mouth na hindi naman yun yung minimin ko, no? Galit lang ako kaya ako yun nasabi, no? Pero in reality, nag-aantay itong taong ito dahil nababagalan na siya, and I believe that both of you are going to fix the issue and stay in this connection a little bit longer, no? Sincere. I mean, this is a lasting commitment. That's what um going to say. Chances are, if not next week, next month, you know, fix na itong issues na ito. Four of Wands, I believe this is a strong and firm foundation. So, napakaganda, no? Both of you learned, both of you matured. So, tingnan natin dito ang energy, no, na inyong mga puso. It could be yours, it could be theirs. You light up my world. Ayan. So, I think that this person is telling you whatever happened, no? Nag-iisa ka lang, no? Hindi parang nagdilim din ang aking paligid nung tayo nagkaroon ng separation, no? Um, our love will never cease to exist. So, ayan na nga. Wala tayong hanggan, no? Itong pagmamahalan natin. So, there's really a promise. May separation man, mahal na mahal ka pa din, no? Aquarius. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius, Libra. Yeah, Sagittarius is very dominant, no? Pisces, nasabi ko na. I mean, Pisces, kasi Scorpio yung kanina. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer. Yan. So, yan ang iyong zodiac sign. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? So, this is your reading. Again, Aquarius, maraming salamat. nakikiusap po ako, paki-report po, yun nasa description box, no, magtulungan tayo para madire-diretso natin to. Kasi medyo na-stress na rin ako, sayang din yung time, kasi may kinakausap ako mga tao, no? Meron din akong, of course, I'll be taking actions on it. Imbis na sana, nandito na lang tayo sa reading, no? Um, and baka possible kapag lumala itong sitwasyon na ito, I'm going to stop all of this, no? Pakitulungan na lang po ako, hindi naman po yun ganun kahirap. Click nyo lang po yung link, then report, no? So, Aquarius, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live din po tayo doon. Pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung feeling nyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no, sa sa description box na doon din po ang aking website. Doon lang po ako nagtatanong sa information na nandoon, no. Naka-post naman po yung number, QR code, the name that you can match, no. Apart from that, wala na. How much per question, no. The mode of payment, no, nandun din po yan. I also created a 4+1. Take advantage of it. And kung gusto niyo po ng mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Aquarius.